Hello everybody. As you could tell at the beginning of this video, I went shopping early this morning. So yeah, I had a very lovely time. Had a very nice browse around. Bought a few nice items. Excuse my nose. My nose is itching because I just chopped a bunch of onions. Before I left, I loaded the crock pot with northern beans and a ham bone from Thanksgiving. And so we're going to have that, fried potatoes, hot dogs, and hot peppers. Yes, it's a West Virginia thing, and I love it, and I cannot wait to dive in because I am hungry. Got the cutest Christmas card ever from my mom and dad. Look at that. Rubbing it in that they're down in Florida enjoying the sunny weather, but that's not even the cutest part. The cutest part is, of course, Bella. I got a picture of Bella. Isn't she cute? She's so cute. And then I also got a Christmas card today from Ronnie's cousin, Stacy. Really pretty. So, Stacy, if you're watching, thank you so much. Enjoy getting the Christmas cards. Love that. We got one from a friend of ours named Savannah the other day. I have it already over here. I have a sleigh at my front door, and I put all my Christmas cards in there. I have not got mine mailed out yet, but I'm working on it. If you're curious what I bought today from Target, I will show you really quickly, because I don't want to burn my potatoes. But I got a new spatula today. Very pretty. I got 2 of the star dishes in the dollar section because I'm always needing a little dish to put my earrings in. Like, you know, I'm bad about just taking them out. So that one will go upstairs by my bed. One will go down here at the table. But before that, I actually have a use for these. I'm going to use them as a ladle holder because I am having a soup dinner here. Maybe next week. I will see. Also bought this kit today. Sorry about holding the camera all retarded. This kit, try to keep the glare off of it, to make hot chocolate bombs. I wanted to do this last year and did not get around to it, so I'm excited to try that. I got some new contact paper. Big excitement there. Some parchment paper. And one more thing, which is right here in front of me. Let me get it. Got a coffee bar sign that was in the dollar section at the store. So also got my big purchase here. Let me see if I can get a hold of it. Oh, well, I'm trying to find the front of the box. Here we go. I bought Ronnie a electric blanket that was on sale today. I have not seen them that cheap anywhere else, even on Amazon. So I went ahead and bought it today for our bed upstairs. So we'll really enjoy that. I've got potatoes on frying and I got to go check those. But I had a lovely time. I even got a Starbucks coffee. I have not had a Starbucks coffee in forever. And I had a very nice Starbucks coffee. I had a peppermint mocha, if anybody wants to know what I had. It was so nice. And I also got 2 gift cards today for my kids. Yes, I'm a gift card mom because they can really technically buy anything they want. So gift cards are just a way to go. And that's what I did. And I'm home. I shopped from 20 after 9 this morning to a quarter to 2. That's how long I shopped today. I shopped till I dropped today. Today is live broadcast day for Ronnie, so I have to work on it in a little bit. I promised my father-in-law I would take him some beans and potatoes over to his house. And so I am just trying to get everything all caught up and lined up. So I do have to probably take about at least 40 minutes and work on the broadcast stuff for this evening. And I should be good to go as far as the house is concerned. Tomorrow, Ronnie goes swimming, and I clean and I take down wallpaper. That's my big excitement for tomorrow. But today, got to go out, got to have some leisure time shopping. Have not been to Target in forever, and I just so enjoyed it. Anyways, here comes my honey bunny. What you doing, hun?
Oh, not a whole lot.
Did you get cold?
A little bit.
Yeah, it's a little nippy out. Anyways, I'll be checking back later, and right now I gotta go check my potatoes. There is my beans. This is the ham bone that was left over from Thanksgiving, and I threw it in there this morning, and my beans are perfectly done. I can't wait to dive in on those. That looks so good. And I've already tasted them. Just waiting for my potatoes to get done, and then we can dive in. Hello, everybody. I'm just checking in. We just got done doing our live broadcast, and now we are watching A Wonderful Life.
It's a Wonderful Life. Remember Jimmy Stewart?
Yeah, this is a really good one. This is a really good one. Anyhow, we had a good broadcast. We had, I don't know if I told you, but so far it's been 55 views. Which, to start off with 55 views is really good.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so you had a lot of people tuning in, which is awesome. So that went really well. And we talked about the gingerbread house. Did you guys know that the largest gingerbread house in the United States is in Texas? And I thought it was really interesting. I used it in the idea and concept in the Bible. It talks about the man that built his house upon the rock. It withstood the storms, but the man who built his house upon the sand, the winds came and it blew it down, and it blew it away. So we talked about how we need to personally build our houses, meaning ourselves, on the rock. And who is the rock? It's the Lord. So it was really, really good tonight.
I really enjoyed it.
And I showed my gingerbread house, which I will show here in a minute what it looks like. It's behind me, but I'll show it to you in this vlog. But right now, I'm going to tune in on It's a Wonderful Life. Well, guys, it is time to go to bed. I washed my bedding, and I put all new bedding on, and I put the new electric blanket that I bought on the bed, and this bed is so roasty warm. And I told Ronnie, I said, I gotta finish out my vlog today. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's so warm in here. And he almost didn't want to get off the bed. He was under here trying it out to see if he liked it. He said, I like that. It is so comforting and so warm. Right now I have it on the highest, but I'll be turning it down before I go to sleep.
It's nice.
But we had a very lovely day today, and thanks to my wonderful husband to let me go shopping for a little while this morning. And just had a really nice day out. I hope you all had a wonderful Monday as well, even though you'll be seeing this on Tuesday. And I will be talking to you all again soon. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below because I love to hear y'all's comments. You guys are honestly my wonderful, wonderful friends here on YouTube. And I just feel very, very blessed to have you in my life and to comment to me and to watch and be a part of our everyday. I do hope that you guys are having a wonderful holiday season and that you are feeling uplifted and healthy and happy. And I know this is a really tough time for a lot of people. Just know that each and every one of you that view, you are in my thoughts and my prayers. And I will be talking to you all again soon. God bless, guys.